grabe. Sige, next. Thank you. Dito ka na on the side. Okay. Next, what is your name? Sino? Samantha. Okay. Palakpakan natin si Samantha. Go, Samantha. Alright, thank you so much, Samantha. Samantha, let's stay on the side. Okay, next, number 13, what's your name? Sino? Briella. Okay, Briella. Palakpakan natin si Briella. Thank you so much, Briella. Now let's stay at the back. On to the next little girl. What is your name? Sino? Samira. Okay. Palakpakan natin si Samira.